axis or the C2. So superior and then inferior. This part here is the anterior and posterior. This one is the dens or the odontoid process. And then the superior articular processes, superior articular facets, and then kini ang spinous process, bifid siya, no? Bifid. And then kini ang laminae. Transverse process, transverse foramen or foramen transversarium, and the vertebral foramen. So sa inferior view, kini ay ang body, no? Body. Then inferior articular processes, inferior articular facets, inferior